And the Hennepin County Commissioners District 1 Forum. I am Jill Johnson, the Executive Director for the North Hennepin Area Chamber, and would like to thank you for attending this evening's forum. The North Hennepin Area Chamber and the League of Women Voters of Brooklyn Park, Osseo, and Maple Grove are co-sponsoring this candidate forum to encourage voter interest in the upcoming election on November 6th. Neither organization endorses any of the candidates for office. We would like to thank Brooklyn Center for the use of their facility for this forum and Northwest Community Television for their support in televising this event live and for their scheduling of the cablecast replays. It is now my pleasure to introduce President Eleanor Johnson, representing the League of Women Voters in our area. Please welcome Eleanor.
Thank you, Jill. My name is Eleanor. I'm with the Brooklyn Park, Osseo, Maple Grove League of Women Voters, and welcome to our forum tonight. Candidate forums are an excellent way for the community to get to know the individuals running for office. It also provides an open venue to allow individuals to ask candidates questions that are important to you. Our moderator will be happy to ask your questions if they are legible and meet the following criteria. The question has not already been asked, and it is not a personal attack on any of the candidates running for office. If you would like to submit a question, raise your hand and one of the ushers will give you an index card. You can write your question and then hold it up when you have it written, and we will collect it. If you would like to submit a question, please raise your hand and write your question as soon as possible so that we're sure that we get to ask your question. Now I'd like to introduce Kirsten Chomey as our moderator. She is a member of our league and lives in Maple Grove. Kirsten.
Thank you very much. Good evening. On behalf of the League of Women Voters, I would like to welcome you to tonight's Candidates Forum. The League of Women Voters is an organization that is nonpartisan and volunteer-based. It is organized at the local, state, and national level to encourage citizens to participate in government. While the LWV members do study and take stands on issues, we do not endorse or support political parties or candidates. The LWV does encourage its members as individuals, as we encourage each of you to get involved in your community and the political party of your choice. However, the views expressed in this forum are those of the individual candidates and not those of the League of Women Voters. By sponsoring this forum this evening, the League provides an opportunity for citizen participation and exposure to candidates, but does not provide an endorsement of any kind. All viable candidates have been invited to participate this evening. And for House District 40B, your candidates are Richard Cushing and Deborah Hillstrom. Deb Hillstrom was not able to be here this evening, and therefore, due to league rules and our cooperative effort with the North Hennepin Area Chamber of Commerce, we need to keep total neutrality, and therefore we cannot have any forum for this part of the evening. So he will smile. And if you have questions for him, we very much encourage you to contact him directly, as well as Deb Hillstrom, so that she can answer your questions. They will both be taking part in the forum on Thursday at Brooklyn Park, and that will be rebroadcast on Cable 12 in your area. So for that, we will now come to a close for this portion, and we will start up again at 7:45 with the Hennepin County Commissioners for District 1. Thank you.